Hi YouTube, this is C9H9 and we're going to do a baking soda rocket.
Ready?
We didn't show you how to make it because I'm sure there's loads more videos that tell you.
And we've already posted a video.
We've already done one, but it kind of was crap.
It kind of might explode in hand, but...
Okay.
Get mine.
Okay.
That's the last one. Great. Gonna... Grass. That way. Right, I'm gonna start to unscrew the lid, right? It will just explode, really.
I know what's going. Look at that, Sunny. Can you squeeze it or not?
No.
Should we chuck it? I say chuck it.
I said it'll explode.
It's going to be a mob at that distance. Sounds like you're killing someone. Whoa! Guys!
Should have seen that. That was amazing, guys.